Hello everyone, I am at work and this is the T-Nog Get to Know You challenge. Okay, so let's get started. So the number one question, do you have pets? No, but I'm about to get some pets. Just a moment. I'm back. Okay, so here we go. That literally took an hour as my IT person that came in. So number one, do you have pets? No, I don't have any pets. I had a pet for 4 days. The dog's name was Beretta. We had to take her back. But I am going to get some pets pretty soon. Let me put it that way. Are you in a relationship? No. Would like to be, but no, I'm not in a relationship. Do you drink alcohol? Occasionally I drink alcohol. Not all the time when I just really need a drink, but sometimes I do. Do you believe in God? Yes, I do. I am a Jehovah's Witness. I believe in God. Prefer hot dogs or cheeseburgers? Burgers. Hot dogs, I try not to eat too much of processed meats. So no, I'll do cheeseburgers. Favorite food? Pizza. Even when I was a little girl. Precious, what do you want to do? Pizza. I want pizza. I always want pizza. So pizza. What do you drink in the morning? Tea. I tend to drink chamomile tea. If I drink coffee, it's a mushroom coffee. So that's what I drink. Can you do 100 push-ups? No. But I can do 100 crunches. But I'm working on the push-ups, so I cannot do 100 push-ups. Favorite season of the year? Spring and summer. Because the days are longer, I feel like I can get more done. Fall and winter, I kind of just want to lay in the bed, watch movies. I tend to just don't want to do anything. In the summer, I like to be out and about. Favorite hobby? I have a couple of favorite hobbies. Of course, gardening is one because it helps me meditate, it helps me relax, it helps me become one with the earth. I love to read and I love to write. I've been journaling since I was in the 5th or 6th grade, and I love books. Let me show you the stuff that I'm reading. Right now, this one, Success Runs in Our Race by Dr. George C. Fraser. It's the complete guide to effective networking in the Black community. What page am I on? I am on page 4. I read the introduction and now I'm on page 4. Very good book. I got some other books. And I don't like electronic books. I'll read an electronic book if there's no hard version, but I like to have. I love to read books. And if it's a really good novel, I can read a novel depending on the amount of pages in a day or two. The next book is How to Be an Inclusive Leader, Your Role in Creating Cultures of Belonging Where Everyone Can Thrive. The next book, this was recommended to me by one of my employees, Tiny Changes, Remarkable Results, Atomic Habits, an easy and proven way to build good habits and break bad ones. I believe in that. I never used to be a person that would make up her bed, and I said, usually you form a habit in 30 days, so I made sure I made up my bed every day for 30 days. Broke the bad habit of not making up my bed. And the last one is called Meet Your Straw Man and Whatever You Want to Know. Happy is the man that findeth wisdom, and the man that getteth understanding. We the people. Very short book. As you can see, I'm writing in the book. I love to read and I love to journal. Even though that was a short question, your favorite hobby, I have a lot. I have not been making homemade soaps, but I do like to make the homemade soaps. As you guys know, I've had a lot of health issues with my mother and a lot of things going on, but hopefully I can get back into doing that this summer. Preserving foods. Another thing I like that I want to add to my house is ceramics. I did it in high school. I wasn't that great at it, but I would like to get me a little ceramic room and do ceramics. So there's lots of things that I like to do, but my gardening and reading, and of course I do read the Bible, are the main ones that I like to do. Do you have a tattoo? I have one. I have a butterfly on my back where no one can see it. I have one. Do you wear glasses? Yes, I have a pair of glasses to drive at night, and I have a pair of glasses to read. And I wear sunglasses. I wear glasses. Do you have any phobias or fears? I do, but I do not like to pronounce my phobias and fears out loud because that gives your enemies ammunition against you. So I may have said them a couple of times on my videos, but just to come out and tell you, no. Do you have a nickname? Presh, P-R-E-S-H, Presh. My real name is Precious. My channel name is Precious SoCal Gardener, but it's spelled U-S. Precious is spelled the regular P-R-E-C-I-O-U-S. That's my name. Favorite candy? Right now I'm sucking on a Werther's Caramel. But my favorite candies would probably be Reese's Peanut Butter Cup, Almond Roca, Mr. Goodbar. People think, ugh, I love Mr. Goodbar. I love it, love it, love it, love it. Do you believe in ghosts? I believe that there are spirits out there, because I believe the Father and the Son and the Holy Spirit. So I believe in spirits, and I think that you should be careful. Ghosts roaming in my house? No. Rain or snow? I would say neither, but if I had to, I would say I prefer the rain, not the snow, because it does snow by my house. I prefer the rain. Snow turns into ice and slickness, and I just don't like it. Do you have piercings? I have 3 holes in my ears, in each ear. Age? I am 48 until July, and I'm gonna leave it at that. French fries or onion rings? French fries. For French fries. Monster style or chili cheese fries, or baked potato with chili and cheese on it. French fries. Do you have children? Unfortunately, I do not. I love babies. I don't have any children because I saw my mother be a single mother, and I decided that if I was going to be a mother, then I would be married. So unfortunately, it's later in life, and that husband hasn't come along. But if someone were to have a child and give me that child because they no longer wanted it, I would probably take them because I adore babies. Favorite colors? Have a couple. I like purple. I love like an orange, like a sunset orange, kind of, I guess you would say. Can you sing? No, I cannot. Do I try? When I'm in the car, I'm jamming and I'm trying to sing. Can you whistle? No, I cannot whistle. Where were you born? I was born in the county of Los Angeles, California. Do you have any siblings? I have 3 brothers. I'm the oldest. 2 brothers by my dad, 1 by my mom. They're all my brothers. I love them all. Can you cook? I am a bomb cook. I can bake a turkey and make homemade cornbread dressing. I learned from my mother, who learned from her grandmother, who lived outside of Monroe, Louisiana. I cook like I'm from the South. Can you swim? Very little. And I'm going to start taking swimming lessons again. I took swimming lessons as an adult. Did okay. And I want to take them again. shower or bath. I prefer a bath, but I mostly take showers because my bath is really deep. I usually get in the tub after a hard day's work in the garden. I throw Epsom salt and all kind of stuff in there. I got a bath pillow and I will just chill. So I do prefer baths. City or nature? At times I like nature, else I wouldn't be a gardener. I'm more of a city girl, so I said suburban. I was raised in South Central LA, so I know how rough and tough cities can be. So I'm blessed to live in the area where I live now. Are you a good friend? I'm an awesome friend. I have my friends back until the end. Have you ever broken a bone? I have never broken any bones. Wait. I was close to breaking a bone. I sprained my left ankle when I was just out of high school into college, trying to wear platforms, sprained an ankle at school. Then I was on my way to work and rolled my ankle on a train track, and the doctor said I was this close to breaking it, but I haven't broken a bone yet. How many TVs in your house? Let me see. 6. 5 in the house and 1 outside in the patio. Worst pain ever. The worst pain I ever had, I'm not going to say it's physical. It was more emotional when my grandmother died when I was 7. I have not had a child, so I know that's probably the worst pain you can experience. I've had surgeries. I survived. I'm here. I'm going to say the death of my grandmother, Rose. Do you like to dance? I do like to dance, but I have 2 left feet. I don't think I'm the greatest dancer. I could just do the 2-step, a little bit of a cha-cha. Camping or hotel? I would prefer a hotel. I would camp if I had an RV. I would like to try camping, but I'm probably more of a hotel person. Do you think you are weird? I do not think I am weird. A lot of people think that I'm weird, and I really don't care what people think. Most people think that gardeners are weird because we live in a society that can go to the store and get stuff. People think I'm weird because I preserve food and I'm trying to do all this more sustainable, healthy stuff. It doesn't make me none. So you might think I'm weird. I think I'm fantastic. I love myself. Maybe I sound a little conceited, but I'm okay with that. How long have you been gardening? Full on gardening since 2019. So 3 years, going on 4 years. If you can grow any one thing in your garden, what would it be? Tomatoes. Tomatoes is what made me fall in love with gardening. When I grew my first tomato and ate it, made me fall in love with it. What is your grow zone? I am in grow zone 9B in Southern California. I'm in the Riverside County area. And tag 5 content creators. So I am going to tag 5 content creators. I have to think of who I want to tag. But this is my video on T-Nog's. Let me turn that off. On her challenge here. Getting to know you challenge. So that's it. I did it. I can't believe without being disturbed. So I'm gonna go ahead and post this video, and I'm gonna tag the 5 content creators that I would like to do this challenge. Okay, as I always say, please find peace within yourself. Please, please, please be peaceable with each other. I absolutely love you all. Have a fabulous Monday. Bye.